My favorite photos are the ones where the people that I'm shooting look absolutely relaxed and natural and comfortable in front of the camera. And there's a way that that happens. The biggest tip that I can give you is to not feel like you're being photographed, to not think about the fact that you're being photographed, and just be with each other and quit trying to model. Like, that's the photos that come out, I think, in my opinion, the worst are the ones where the couple's trying really hard to model, right? I love photos that have that photojournalistic feel, that natural feel, the photos that look real, like you're really looking at each other, like you're really smiling at each other. No one had to tell you to smile, right? All of those things. And a lot of that comes from you just being, right? You've got to just be there and relax. I usually advocate that that is your photographer's job, to help you get there and to remind you that that's what's happening. But so as a photographer, that's the thing that you can be doing, is reminding your couple, like, hey, listen, this is about you two. I'm just here documenting that. So I'm doing a lot of directing to get couples to interact, to get people to interact, to think about something other than the fact that they're being photographed. So then they get to be, right? When especially, like, let's say on a wedding day or an engagement shoot or whatever it is, when you can really look in each other's eyes, like the smile comes naturally. It's not this forced thing. And yeah, so it's a lot of that. It's a lot of being together. It's a lot of thinking of that instead of thinking about being photographed. I hope that helps, and have fun on your shoot.